Today I'm going to show you how to measure length. For those of you who maybe feel like you need a little bit more support, or maybe you're not very confident with this. So if you look at this maths book here, you can see that we have an animal footprint. If I was going to measure the length of the footprint, I would need to measure it from this end here to this end here. So what I need to do is take my ruler, and I need to check that I'm measuring the centimetres. You need to look for where it says cm on your ruler, because that tells you that you're measuring in centimetres. You don't want to measure in millimetres, okay, because it's too big to measure in millimetres. So if I take my ruler, I'm going to start from the tallest part of the leg, or the longest part of the leg of the foot, and I'm going to measure all the way to the other side. So I need to line up my footprint on 0 centimetres, and I need to measure it all the way to the end of the footprint. Now I can see that if I'm starting from 0, from one end to the other, reaches 16 centimetres. So you could just record your answer as 16 centimetres, and that would be absolutely fine. However, if you're watching this and you're thinking, I can do that, that's quite easy, here's a challenge for you. Could you try and measure this to the nearest millimetre? Okay, so I'll show you now how to measure to the nearest millimetre. So again, I'm going to take my ruler and I'm going to start at one end of my footprint, and I'm going to measure all the way to the other end. Now each of these little intervals, can you see there, each little interval is worth 1 millimetre. So when I know that my footprint measures 16 centimetres, if I want to make it really accurate, I need to now count how many millimetres it is as well to the end of the footprint. Now I can see 16 centimetres, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see that that is 16 centimetres and 4 millimetres. So if I wanted to record this even more accurately, I could write it as 16.4 centimetres. That tells me that there are 16 centimetres and 4 millimetres. And we can write that as 16.4 centimetres. Either answer is fine, but because this one is measuring to the nearest millimetres, this would be your more accurate answer. Have fun!